Changes in materials, presence and absence of oxygen, and application of heat. A simple reminder before doing the experiment. Seek help from elder brother or sister to set up the following experiment. Be careful in doing it. Have fun! Investigating the presence and absence of oxygen in apple. You will need the following materials: apple, vitamin C, chopping board, knife, and 2 containers. Label them E and B. Cut the apple into 2 pieces. Set aside the apples and get water. Fill the containers with water. Put the apples in container A and container B. Crush a piece of vitamin C. Then put it in container B. Observe what will happen to apple after 48 hours.
Hours later.
We can observe that there are changes happen in glass A from whitish to brownish color. In container B, vitamin C acted as antioxidant that prevents the apple to turn brown in color. This way, the apple keeps its good appearance. The next experiment is about investigating crayons and candle when heated. Again, be careful in doing the experiment. Get a spoon and place a piece of candle on it. Put it on the fire and observe what will happen to candle. You can see the candle melts. Set aside the candle and let it cool. Now, get a piece of color and put it on the spoon. Place it on the fire and see what will happen to color. The crayon also melts after putting it on the fire. Set aside the melted crayon and let it cool. After heating, the crayons and color became liquid and solidified with new shape but still with the same color. causes the materials to change in their properties. It will change state from solid to liquid, which is called melting. But when the heat was absorbed by the lighted candle and crayon, they changed state from liquid to solid. This is caused by the process of cooling. The next activity is about investigating ice cubes when heated. Prepare 3 cubes in 1 glass. Place the 3 ice cubes in the glass and observe what will happen to ice cubes after 3 to 5 minutes. You can see that the ice cube melts. When ice cubes melted, the heat present in the environment was absorbed by the ice cubes. The last experiment is about investigating the rusting of iron. You will need dry cloth, wet cloth, and 2 iron nails. Place the iron nail on dry cloth and wet cloth. Observe what will happen to the 2 nails after 48 hours. Rusting occurs when the surface of the metals or its alloy, such as iron nails, corrode in the presence of water. Water is a compound that is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. The presence of oxygen causes rusting of iron. Iron nails reacted with oxygen to form rust.